first thing we got to do is remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Then we got to remove the shift knob. Now, there's a little piece here on the bottom right here that we're going to pry down. Just like that. Now, we're going to put our gloves on because you're going to tug like a son of a gun to get that off. Make sure you don't hit yourself in the head when you pull that knob off. All right, here we go. Jeez. As much as I could tug on that shift knob, I could not get it off. So what I did is I removed it with these tools. And I put the knob back on, and I still can't get it off by hand. So I put this underneath there. Use this for leverage. There. There we go. Some people, they come off easy. I've tried 2 of these and they were both stinkers to get off. Anyways, it's off. Next thing we need to do is to remove this shifter plate. Okay, it's out of the way. Alright, now we can take this piece right here and pop that out. Steering wheel's pretty close there. Okay, now we can take this out of here. We don't even have to disconnect anything. There. We can get the radio out now. I'm going to use a nut driver with a 7mm socket on it, and we've got 4 screws right here that hold it on. Alright, now we gotta get in back there and remove our wires. First thing we can do is to remove the antenna. And over here is the electrical connections. There are 2 of them. One. And 2. Okay. So, alright, here's the radio. Look at the size of that heatsink on there. CD. That's it. It's all out. Daimler Chrysler. Alright, so that's all there is to removing a radio from your Dodge Caliber.